Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're unboxing a brand new Apple Watch band. This is the Trail Loop for the Apple Watch Ultra. It's in the small/medium size, and it is in the new green/neon colorway. So we're gonna go ahead and open this guy up, see what it's all about, try it on my Ultra, and see if I like it. All right, so taking a look at the box of the Trail Loop. Now, I've never had one of these bands before. I know they're very nice, they're extremely lightweight, so I'm looking forward to giving that a try. And ideally, these are for cross-country runners, high-endurance athletes, basically anybody where weight savings would be highly beneficial. This is the band for you. And important to note, this does fit other watches. It doesn't solely fit the Ultra, even though it's marketed as an Ultra band. This will fit on the larger version of the Apple Watch. I don't believe it will fit the smaller version, but I would recommend looking that up just so you're not disappointed, because these bands are $100 and I would hate for you guys to waste your money on that. All right, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. Once again, this is the small/medium size, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have crazy small baby wrists. Something you should know about me. A little fun fact for you. All right, so immediately open this up. We get some instructions on how to put on the band. So that is a clue that will help us later. And there is our band. Beautiful color. So there's the green, there's the little touch of neon. So the color is technically green/neon, and now I can see why. So we got kind of like a two-tone little thing going on here. Pulling it out. Very nice, you guys. So we've got the titanium at the fasteners there. So this is the part that goes directly into the watch. That is made of titanium, so extra durability there. This is very soft. This is nice. This is very comfortable. Extremely lightweight. They were not kidding with that. This is probably the lightest watch band that I own at this point. So this will be really cool to test with a few workouts, for sure. And this material here reminds me of the Sport Loop bands. I don't know if you guys are familiar with those. Those are some of my favorite Apple Watch bands of all time, just because of how versatile they are. But yeah, I'm loving the look of this. We've got a nice firm pull tab right there. You can see that it is sewed in. So you can tug on this a few 100,000 times and not run into any issues, hopefully. So opening it up, oh my God, very strong Velcro. I had to like really try to pull that. I'm not even joking. We got 4 Velcro tabs up at the top there. So this will not come apart no matter what you do, you guys. No matter how fast you're running, this will stay fastened. So there is the full front side of the band. You can tell it is stitched right there at the end for even more durability. Very nice. There is the Velcro side, just so you guys can see the entire thing. Yeah, this is a very well-made band. And again, these bands are $100. So I would hope that you would like this if you're paying that kind of money. So let's go ahead and put this on my Ultra. And I've got the terracotta Alpine Loop band on here right now. So if you guys want to see that video, it's up above for you. Okay, so I looked at the instructions. This side should go at the top of the watch. And it's important to note, I technically wear my watch upside down. That is something you guys should know about me. The way that you put on this band might be a little different from the way I'm putting it on, and that's okay. So we got a nice firm click, putting the clasps in there. So this should be extremely adjustable, even for my tiny ass wrists. So this is honestly a Sport Loop with a little bit extra like pizzazz. This feels very similar to my Sport Loops that I've accumulated over the years. And this is a good looking band, you guys. Let me go ahead and select a watch face that I think would look really good with this. It is the, let's see. I think it's all the way at the end here. Oh, this is what my watch does. Does your watch do this? My watch crashes when I select a watch face, so that's pretty fun. $800 watch, by the way. There it is. So it is the Waypoint watch face, and they have a specific neon green color that I know would look fire with this. There we go. All right, so there is the full kit for you guys. That is hot. That is a great watch face for this band. You got the neon going with the little neon piping around the edges here. The green looks really good contrasting with it. Again, this pull tab is nice and firm. Everything is just really well made, which of course you would expect for a $100 watch band, but this is looking really good, you guys. I am quite fond of this, to be honest with you. The natural titanium looks perfect as always. Now, if you get the black titanium version, you will get black fasteners on either side, and I think the black would look really good with the green. But yeah, this is looking great with the natural titanium. Let me give you guys a slow little look here, just so you can see every single angle of the watch and the band. There you go. Breaking my wrist for you guys. Go ahead and drop a like. And there we have it, you guys. This is the trail loop for the Apple Watch Ultra in green/neon, the small/medium version. What do you think of this watch band? This is my first time wearing a trail loop. I really like it. I'm excited to work out in this thing. That'll be a lot of fun. And if you guys like this video, I've got plenty of other Apple Watch content on the channel. I've got that linked down below for you guys. And you guys, if you want to support the content, all I ask is that you drop a like down below. It helps an absolute ton. Your support is always so appreciated. You have no idea. And thank you very much for watching. Anyways, you guys, it is late. I'm gonna go have dinner. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.